Hello, I'm James Foxall, President and CEO of Tiger Paw Software. Excited to be introducing another video in our Run a Better Business and Sleep Better at Night series, which, as I've mentioned before, is the mission of Tiger Paw to help you run a better business and sleep better at night. And today, Tony's going to be talking to you about the customer portal and the bill pay portion of the customer portal. The customer portal is a great piece of technology because it allows your clients 24/7 access to their tickets. They can submit new tickets. They can update existing tickets. They can sign off work that is completed. They can request a quote, which then can be turned over as an opportunity to your sales team. And yes, they can pay their bills through the portal. One of the really cool things we added to the bill pay is, have you ever had a customer that you billed a bunch of hours for and they were disputing 2 hours? What happens? But they don't pay you, right, until they get the dispute solved. With TigerPaw's portal, they can actually pay the portion that they're not disputing and then dispute the difference, in which case you get paid quicker, gives you an opportunity to address the small discrepancy and hopefully get paid for the difference. But we're removing the barriers to you getting paid. Again, the idea is zero collections, right? We always want to get paid quickly as possible. So please stay tuned for Tony to walk you through how to get the most out of this piece of technology, again, to help you run a better business and sleep better at night. Thank you for being a Tiger Paw partner.
The customer portal provides your customers a virtual help desk that's available around the clock. From the customer portal, clients have access to convenient features surrounding both the service and sales sides of your business. Service-wise, clients can create new service orders when issues arise, track the work being done on their service orders, add additional notes to their orders when needed, and even sign the order to verify the issue was resolved. Once an invoice has been generated in TigerPaw, clients can review and pay that invoice online. On the sales side, clients can request a quote. This actually creates an opportunity in TigerPaw for a sales professional to work. When submitting the request, the client enters a detailed description of what they are looking for, making the qualifying stage of any sales cycle a little easier. Once a sales rep creates a quote, the client can review and print the quote, all from the customer portal. Let's switch over to the customer portal now so you can see it in action. When a client signs in, the portal opens to a customizable home screen. They can rearrange these tiles however they wish. Furthermore, they can suppress or eliminate tiles altogether. They can also restore the default layout to get back any tiles they have removed. The options on this homepage depend on what you decided should be visible on the customer portal. It's important to remember that you have full control over what clients can see and do on the customer portal. Clients that have multiple sites can see a history of everything done at each site and request service and quotes per site, selectable from the linked accounts dropdown here. Let's talk about requesting service first. Requesting service is as easy as clicking the Request Service button here. The Request Service form will appear, allowing the client to optionally enter a PO number, request work to start at a particular date and time, select a system and choose an asset item to service. This form does have requirements, however, like a brief description of the issue they are having, as well as any details pertaining to that issue. Lastly, they can submit attachments, like error logs or screenshots. Once they hit submit, a service order is created in TigerPaw and you are notified. At any time, a client can open the navigation pane and quickly access their service history. Drilling into a specific service order allows the client to review details pertaining to the service order, like work requested and work performed. They can add notes to the order from the Notes tab, upload documents from the Documents tab, and even sign the order to confirm completion. Open the navigation pane again to quickly return to the home page. Now, let's take a closer look at requesting a quote from the customer portal. Requesting a quote is just as easy as requesting service. Simply click on Request Quote from the home page here. This opens the Request Quote form, where a client enters a description for the request and details what they need. They can then enter a needed by date and attach any relevant documents to the request. Once everything is entered, they click Submit and an opportunity will be created in TigerPaw for this request and you will be notified. If a client needs to review or reprint any previous quotes created for them, they can simply open the navigation pane and select Quotes. This displays their quote history, enabling them to quickly reprint any quote on the list. Don't forget, you have full control over what they can see and do on the customer portal. If you'd prefer they only see open quotes or only recent quotes, that's easy to set on the admin page. Provide your customers a 24/7 virtual help desk with TigerPaw's customer self-service portal. The portal gives your customers the ability to open a new service ticket or track the status of an existing ticket, as well as drill down access to the information that is most important to them. Customers have access to data when and where they want it, and you save labor costs while increasing customer satisfaction. Customers can even pay their bills through the portal. TigerPaw's customer self-service portal can help provide your customers with the experience they expect while giving you the cost savings you need. In this video, we discussed a few highlights of the customer portal, but be sure to take the TigerPaw Academy course titled T012 TigerPaw Web Portals to learn more.